Ready to share your thoughts and connect with your favorite artists and fellow fans on Weverse? Let's dive into how to post text. First things first, you'll need to open the Weverse app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look for the community you want to post in. This could be an artist's official community or any fan-owned community. Within the community, locate the plus or right button. This is typically found at the bottom center of the screen, often next to a camera or gallery icon. Tap that button. You'll likely see several options for post types. Select the text or text-only option to create a written post. Now, you're in the post editor. This is where you can start typing your message. Feel free to share your opinions, updates, or anything you want to communicate. You can express your thoughts, ask questions, or simply share your excitement about your favorite artist. Don't be shy. This is your space to connect. Once you've finished writing your message, look for the post or share button, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Tap that button, and your text post will be successfully shared with the community. Your message is now live for everyone to see and interact with. You've just posted text on Weverse. Now you can engage with others, respond to comments, and build those awesome connections within your favorite fandoms. Happy posting!